guys. I'm gonna do some more things with Solar Flare because it seems to just be working. So, what I've done, as you see, I have 2 stars. I lost the battle. I won the battle as good as the 2 previous ones that I did. So, I nearly beat over 44, but you know how it works. You don't get your legendary when you need it. I'm so upset. Now I'm good. I think I'm redeeming myself. I hope. Alright, so I'm assuming you're against a pretty tough opponent. Okay, Nathan. It's very late. Yeah, Sunday I'm recording. What you got for me? Actually.
Right.
Okay. Whatever. Let's go on and see. And this is like 10,000 here. I don't know what I should do. I really don't, because if I play this, I can boost it up. It'll be the same amount, and then I can also strengthen up those guys. And then it's kind of want to root color, you can get this guy too. Besides, this guy's don't tend to kill, it's hiding under that breeze. Oh, sure. Exactly. Okay, well, you just had any brains, so skip your turn. Skip it, go ahead. Thank you. Oh god, you're so mad at me, aren't you? You're taking, like, 2 damage. Die. Okay. Sorry for the silent thing. Yeah, that's not even close to tempting. Like, unless it depends on what she does, but other than that, not even close to tempting. We all know I prefer this. Yes, please. Well, you're gonna have to do something about the internet, are you not? What? That's just so simple. You like ask for it. What's all your brains? Dude! I thought you were like supposed to be the trick master out of the heroes. Huh? Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, so I've done like 4 minutes. I can do another battle. Oh yes, the stars are shining in. I might even be able to get a pack. I'm gonna definitely show you a pack the next time I get a pack. I should probably try to remember. Okay, so oh god, why do I have my sound up? Sorry, so if you guys cannot hear me, I basically just wrecked that other guy, as you saw. Oh, I really hope you could hear me. Okay, well, let's begin. So, poison shroom. Scored it. Boom. Oh, and I'm gonna try to open a pack if I get enough gems. Alrighty. After this battle, I'm done. For many reasons. Okay. So, I got sprouts and sprouts and sprouts. I really do like the sprouts. A lot. Oh, yes, it's 3 down. It's definitely 3 down. You all know what the sprouts are going to turn into, though. Usually are. They're not helpful enough. Sprout. Better sprout. Alrighty, here we go. Alright. There we go, straight through. Oh gosh. Okay, well, whatever. So, now what do we have next? Okay, so I can play both my sprouts. It's gonna be evolution turn. Yeah. Or I can play my electrical guy. I can't choose! Oh, this is probably gonna be like the only opportunity I'm ever gonna be able to open these sprouts. Oh goodness, if they transform into a laser beam. Okay, well, I'm gonna have the sound up. You can do whatever you want. Really? Whatever, let the sound begin. Boom. Okay. So, what's going on now? Hope you guys enjoyed the sound for a bit. Besides, I just had to do some things, so, you know. wouldn't have heard me talking too much anyway. So, They want to be a hero. Does not want to be my friend. Okay, well, I've just ended this game already. Like, GG? What's up these scientists, dudes? Don't get it. He's just ending his turn. He knows what's happened. He was like, I can't believe he just cornered me like that. Yeah, I know. It's upsetting, bruh. But you're kind of lucky to have a wannabe hero. That's a pretty good guy to have. Alright, going up in the world. I am going up in the world. Okay, let's see how much I've done. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. And see y'all next time. Goodbye.